In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place stop loss and take profit orders in TradingView. This is essential if you want to manage your risk properly and lock in profits without watching the chart all day. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart with the market you want to trade already open. Once you're there, look for the trade button. Depending on your layout and broker connection, you'll usually find this either just below the chart area or in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on Trade. This opens the trading panel where you can place and manage your orders directly from the chart. When the trading panel is open, you'll see the basic order options like order type, quantity, and price. What we want to focus on here are the take profit and stop loss settings. Look for the switches or toggles labeled take profit and stop loss. By default, these are often turned off, which means your order would execute without any automatic exit levels. To change that, simply toggle on the take profit option and then toggle on the stop loss option as well. As soon as you turn these on, additional fields or lines on the chart will appear, allowing you to define exactly where you want your position to close in profit and where you want it to close to limit your loss. Now it's time to type in the price levels you want to execute. For the take profit, enter the price at which you'd like the trade to automatically close in your favor. This should be based on your analysis, such as a key resistance level, a previous swing high, or a target from your strategy. For the stop loss, type in the price where you're willing to accept a loss and exit the trade if the market moves against you. This might be below a support level, beyond a recent low or high, or at a specific percentage loss you're comfortable with. As you type in these prices, you'll usually see horizontal lines on the chart updating in real time, showing exactly where those levels are relative to the current market price. Take a moment to double check that your take profit is on the side of the trade where you'd make money, and your stop loss is on the side where you'd limit risk. Once everything looks correct, you can proceed with placing your order, knowing that both your stop loss and take profit are already built in.